Give it a little detail, I guess. These are the cockpit coamings. What you can see of them. Got them in. Got them installed. Got them sealed up. Sealer around the edges and all is all sealed up now. And the I did get the jib track mounted and sealed both sides. Winch bases are built. These are tough. These are hard to build right here. Don't let nobody lie to you. Those are tough to do. And these are not. These aren't any easier to build. I think you can see them right there. That's a little dark in here, but jib tracks. I like those. I got those in Garheimer Marine. You're not supposed to have to. Those are, you can self-adjust them from back here now. So yeah, got my cover boards for the outboard motor well built, dry fitted. Just need to be taken back out now and painted. Little wing nuts on it. Little wing nuts here. Well, little tighteners, which is pretty nice. You know, slide them out, slide them back in, tighten them down, snug them up down, holds them up. So yeah, those turn out all right. Those two little U-bolts that are sliding on right there, they go to my Aries wind vane. That's the original, and these are the two that I built for it. They're made out of wood, as you can see, and coated with epoxy. I think I'm gonna paint all that white though. I'm gonna cut them bolts off and shape them up a little bit, just, you know. And I got to paint the bottoms of these still, but take them back off. They're just dry fitted. They don't have the taps on the bottom of them yet. They're just dry fitted. You gotta seal them up, put the sealer underneath them. Yeah, the coamings turn out pretty nice. Here's the port side, starboard side. They're through bolted all the way through, and bolted on the, you know, through the coamings, and bolted all over here. So yeah, it's coming along. Heck of a job. A lot of work to do. Got the polyfoam cut for the V-berth, and fixing to take those to the upholstery shop and let them recover those. But it's coming along.